Hey there, I'm Sean, the manager here, and would like to welcome you to Gregg Distributors, Nisku. Located right across the QE2, the 60,000 square foot warehouse is fit to serve many industrial needs in the area. When you first pull into our huge parking lot, you'll notice that we are set up to handle all sizes of cars, trucks, and even the biggest of rigs can maneuver easily. But the large spaces don't stop there. Our massive showroom is open and inviting, and we encourage everyone to enjoy a free coffee or soda while your order is getting ready. One of the things we pride ourselves on most is the breadth of our inventory. Gregg's has a catalog of over 200,000 products, and at Nisku, we have over half of it in stock, on the shelves, ready to go. Looking for something that's not in our building? Not a problem. Our distribution center in Edmonton is only 30 minutes away, and with twice-a-day deliveries, we can get your order out to you either the same day or the next day. At Gregg Distributors Nisku, customer service is our biggest focus, and we will have one of our assistant managers, Loida, tell you more about it.
That's one thing you will find especially amazing here at Nisku, our customer service levels. Customer service is always our #1 priority. No matter how busy we get, we all work together to make sure all our customers are happy and aren't waiting in line for too long. As we head off to complete your order, make sure to relax in our showroom with the beautiful water feature and Canadian theme arts. And yes, Sean wasn't lying, the coffee is free.
Gregg Distributors Nisku opened in 2009 and was built with growth and expansion in mind, so we can continue to serve the community as it grows and becomes more robust. Whether you're working in agriculture, trucking, metal recycling, or in the oil field, we have you covered for all your industrial supply needs. We also have many different ways you can order from us: in person at the service counter, over the phone, through the fax, email, or online using iPart. We even have a hose shop that can assemble almost anything you need. But I'll let Angela, our co-assistant manager, tell you more.
At the Nisku Hose Shop, we have the ability to build and pressure test hydraulic and industrial hoses up to 6 inches in diameter. You might think that lots of places in Nisku can build a hose, but what really sets us apart is our passion and attention to detail. Our quality standards are second to none, with every single hose being checked for the correct length, compatibility, and crimp setting, making sure our hoses last and won't cause you downtime on the work site. Any given day, you will see us building brake lines, AC lines, hydraulic hoses, air hoses, pressure washer hoses, or any other hose you can think of. And if you require pressure testing, we've got you covered. We'll send a copy of the certificate with you and keep a copy on hand to make sure you can comply with whatever regulations you face. At Gregg's Nisku, we don't just build hoses, we solve problems.
You may already have other industrial suppliers that can get you some of the products you need, but when you buy from our 100% Canadian company, you can be assured that your money is going right back into the community. With Gregg Distributors Sunshine Fund, we have bottle drives, staff draws, and other fundraising events to help support our local community. If you ever find yourself at the Edmonton Valley Zoo, you'll see all the amazing things we have helped build with our charity. How many other places can offer you that? Thanks for taking a look at what we can do and how we can help you and your business. If you ever find yourself in the Nisku area, swing on by 5th Street and say hi. We'd love to see you. Thanks for shopping Canadian.